Hello friends, today we'll learn how to construct 30 degree, 15 degree, 150 degrees and 165 degrees using ruler and compasses. So to construct 30, 15, 150 and 165 we will need 0 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree and 180. So that when we bisect 0 and 60 we will get 30, 120 and 180 will bisect we will get 150. Again 0 and 30 if we will bisect we will get 15 degree, 150 and 165 whatever ones will get 165 when we bisect 150 and 180. So to start with, let's draw the base of our angle first. So let's take a ray here by taking a point here, construct a ray. So let the initial point be O, as you can see here, and let it pass through A. So O will be the vertex now for all the 4 angles. So for this, first we'll construct a major arc here, taking O as the center and a definite radius. So the radius we can take of our choice and construct a little bit major one so that we get the points easily here. As you can see here, it touches the base. So let us mark it first. So point B. So this will be our 0 degrees. As you can see here, 0 degrees. So that is point B. Now with the same radius, we will not change the radius. With the same radius that we have used for OB. So we will take from B and cut off the semicircle here. So let it be point C. Again from point C with the same radius, let us intersect it with the semicircle and mark it as point D. And again with the same radius from point D we'll get a third cutoff and mark it point E. Now we'll join all the 3 points to the vertex to get 60, 120 and 180. So the first arc that we get is always 60 degree. $60, 120, and 180 degrees. So 60, 120 and 180. So first we will construct 30 degrees. So to construct 30 degree, we have to bisect 0 and 60 degree. So if we bisect 0 and 60, we will get 30. So let's take an arc of this length and cut off an arc like this at the middle portion somewhere. Now take C as the center again. So first B as the center, now C as the center. We'll cut off this arc. So we get a meeting point. Now we'll join it with the vertex. So this will be angle 30 degree. Let us mark a point here. AOF. So angle AOF will be 30 degree. AOF is equals to 30 degree. In the same way, 120 and 180 if we will bisect, we will get 150. 120 plus 180, 300. 300 by 2, 150 degree. So from 120, we'll take a definite radius, and from point E, that is 180 degree, another one to cut it off. So we get 150 degrees. (150 degrees). So let us mark a point. So angle AOG will be 150 degree. So AOF is 30, AOG is 150. Now we'll do 15 degree. Now to get 15 degrees, we have to bisect 0 and 30. So this is a 0 mark, and for 30 let us mark this point. Let it be H. So we'll bisect 0 and 30. 0 and 30. So we'll take a radius little according to BH, or more than BH also you can take it. So let us consider somewhere in the middle. As we know, for bisectors the arcs always should be in the middle portion, and one from point 30. So one from 0, one from 30, that is B and H. Taking B and H as the center, we have got two arcs. Now let meet it here. As they meet here, let us mark it and join to the vertex. Now let's join it. So this will be 15 degree. Let us mark it. So angle AOI. So angle AOI will be 15 degree. Angle AOI will be equals to 15 degree. Now similarly 165 will be on the other side. That is, we have to bisect 180 degree and 150 degree. Let us name this point J. So point E will be our 180 mark, and point J will be our 150 mark. So we will bisect point E and point J. So point J is for 150, point E is for 180, and mark the meeting point. So now we have to join vertex and the meeting point. You can name it as 165 degrees. So let us name it at point K. So angle AOK will be equals to 165 degrees. So we've got 15, 30, 150 and 165. So 30 will get, when we bisect 0 and 60, we get 30. Again 0 and 30 will bisect, will get 15. Similarly 180 and 120 when you bisect, we get 150. 150 and 180 when you bisect, we get 165. Thank you and keep exploring.